It is one of the must-have gadgets basically for frequent travelers. Overall, this Realme 20,000 mAh power bank is a bomb! Good job, Realme. Good job.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Roll! Hey guys, it's a Gorilla and welcome back to another gadget unboxing video. And yeah, today unboxing a gadget, and yet I don't know what the gadget is. In every single video, I don't know what it is, I don't know. But I seem to know everything about the product. So yeah, let's just unbox this gadget. And also, if you didn't know, we crossed 1K subscribers. Bro, that's amazing. I literally love you guys so much. I'm so thankful to all of you. I love you guys so much. And also, you can join my channel because there's there's a join button next to my channel name. It's that blue tint color something. So yeah, I'll also be making custom emojis soon, so you better be excited. And also, you can get free shoutouts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm AK7DOLLTV and welcome to this channel. You can subscribe, you can like, and you can also share the video and join my channel if you want, of course. And also make sure to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my more latest videos. Ding! And let's get on to the unboxing. Alrighty, let's unbox the package. I don't know why I'm so hyper today, even though it's whatever time it is, I don't remember. But yeah, let's unbox this package. And as you see, I magically got it. Magic. Okay, now let's unbox this. Oh Lord. This one is gonna be very hard. Finally, that literally made my hand cry for whatever minutes it has been. Oh, it is a power bank. The brand is by Realme. So yeah, so here's I'm sorry, I'm stuttering a lot, but yeah, here's the power bank. And it's made by the brand Realme. I've told it 10 billion times, I think. So yeah, let's move to the highlights of this product, or unbox it, of course. Mommy, you're the best. Yes, thank you. Okay, I just admitted that it's my mom doing it. Sorry. I have opened it. Let's see what's inside. It's obviously a power bank. I have never used a power bank. Just to know a little bit about my life. Alright, pieces. Alright, that was satisfying. But I guess I have to go through more levels. Alright, that was satisfying. And as you see, this is a black power bank. Oh, I don't like the sound effect. I don't like when I rub it, but this is a power bank. It's actually really good quality. Nice. And it's also nice to keep the brand name here. Oh, I'm shivering, but let's move to the highlights of this product. I don't like when I do this. Bro, I'm shivering. Stop. Alright, let me put this power bank down. Also, guys, I forgot there's a USB cable in this plastic box. So yeah, let's get it out. That was pretty satisfying, as I say. And yeah, here's a little USB cable. Also, guys, I forgot to show you the user manual. So yeah. Okay, wait, let me open it all. But I wouldn't really recommend you to read it all because I'm telling you what it does. So yeah, I wrote the whole script of it. So I can tell everything about this. So yeah, let's go to the highlights of this product. Why did I make a high-pitched voice? Why? Okay, but let's just move on to the highlights of this product. It comes with an 18-watt two-way quick charge. The build quality is tremendous and it's kind of heavy. Do you mind? It has a multi-device quick charge. It has triple output ports. Here are the 3 of them. You can see it in the close-up. It comes with a 14-layer circuit protection. 14-layer circuit protection. It's safe, isn't it? Even if there's a power outage, power fluctuations, your device is safe. Pretty much. It comes with a comfortable grid design, which it's pretty comfortable pretty much. The grip is very good, but just don't leave it like this because you might drop it and you don't want that, right? It comes with a high density lithium ion polymer batteries. Low current for ALOT devices. Let's move to the charger part, don't we? Yeah, it has 2 cables. So yeah, this is a very smart cable. I also have a phone charger cable like that, which is pretty useful. And if you don't know what I'm talking about or something, there's the video on the eye up right there. And make sure to watch that video if you don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's move on to the next highlights of this product. Every package or every gadget or anything honestly needs a warranty. Like, yeah, this it has a 1-year domestic warranty. It is one of the must-have gadgets for vloggers, YouTubers, travelers, also for people who goes on camping. Also for people who goes on camping, hiking, and basically for frequent travelers. Overall, this Realme 20,000 mAh power bank is a bomb. Good job, Realme. Good job. Honestly, this actually helps. Like, you could just put the put this cable here, pop this cable here or something, and then just charge your phone or tablet. This power bank is like a savior. Thank you, Realme. Thank you. Now, no more worrying about battery draining and battery dying. Alright guys, we have finally came to the end of the video. And also, if you want to buy this guy, link in the description. I don't know why I did this, but it seems cool to me at least. And you guys be sure to be safe. You can't go outside unless it's work or something. But yeah, stay safe. Finally, we came to the end of this tech unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you want this guy, link in the description. You can always obviously there's this gadget or any unboxing product will always be in the description for you guys. So yeah, also make sure to like the video if you're new to my channel, and also make sure to like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell and also share the video. And also you can join my channel. It's that blue text color thing. So yeah, it says join and you can join my channel, and also be making cool emojis, emojis only members can use. So yeah, and also YouTube is making merch, so you guys be better get that. It's pretty cool. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. Bye.